Hey, welcome to Barker's Bikes. In this video, I'm doing the oil and filter change on this 2024 Kawasaki Z900RS. This will be the first oil change for this bike, and let me just go ahead and tell you, it is super simple. If you can change out a roll of toilet tissue in your bathroom or a roll of paper towels in your kitchen, you have the mechanical ingenuity required to change the oil in this bike. I thought that the Honda Grom was simple, but this thing blows it away. Super simple. I'm going to include everything you need as far as what tools I use, what the torque specifications are, and what oil I used. By the end of this 2-minute video, you'll have everything you need to confidently service this bike yourself. So stay tuned. Okay, start the bike up and let it go through its normal warm-up cycle. So notice when you first start the bike up, the RPMs go up, it idles up kind of high. After those RPMs drop down after about 3 minutes or so, I turn the bike off and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so that I don't get burned by the pipes. I use a 17mm socket, or you can use a 17mm wrench, and I use this style filter wrench. Be sure you take that crush washer off. See, mine is stuck to the engine right here. Take that off, and then I'll dip my finger into the new oil and I'll lube up that O-ring that goes around the new filter, as you see me doing here. Now make sure you get a good seal when you put the filter back on, like I'm doing here. I'll tighten the filter up good, and I'll put the drain plug on, and be sure you put the new crush washer back on that drain plug. So I tighten it up tight as I can by hand, and I tighten the drain plug with the 17mm socket and wrench nice and snug. I list the specifications on there, the torque specifications. If you want to use those, I just do it tight by hand. This is the way I've always did it. Make sure everything's cleaned up good. And then I'll fill it up with the Kawasaki oil. I use Kawasaki oil, and it takes the entire jug, so that makes it really easy. All right, that's all there is to it. Until next time, God bless. Ride safe.